Welcome back to Venture Smarter. Today we're going to tackle a crucial topic for all LLC owners: how to file taxes for an LLC with no income. Even if your business didn't earn any income during the tax year, fulfilling your tax obligations is essential. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. As an LLC owner, knowing the necessary procedures to fulfill your tax obligations is crucial. According to the Small Business Economic Profile, small businesses number 33.2 million in the United States, making up 99.9% of U.S. businesses. This highlights the importance of understanding tax obligations, as even an LLC without income needs to file tax documents. To file taxes for an LLC with no income, determine your filing status, single member or multi-member, and obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. Single-member LLCs must complete Schedule C, Form 1040, for tax reporting purposes. According to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, approximately 30% of LLCs report no income in their initial year of operation, underscoring the commonality of early-stage business challenges and strategic planning periods. Steps to filing taxes for an LLC with no income. 1. Determine your filing status. First, determine whether your LLC is a single-member LLC or a multi-member LLC, as the tax requirements may vary. 2. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. You'll need an EIN for tax purposes. You can easily apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. 3. Complete the necessary tax forms. For single-member LLCs, you need to file Schedule C, Form 1040, along with your personal tax return. For multi-member LLCs, you must file Form 1065, which reports the LLC's financial activity. 4. Report zero income accurately. While completing the tax forms, accurately report zero income for your LLC. Double-check all entries and ensure you have provided the required information, such as the EIN and the LLC's legal name. 5. File the tax forms. Once you've completed the necessary forms, file them with the IRS before the deadline. Note that the filing deadline for most LLCs is March 15th unless you file for an extension. LLC taxation and federal state income taxes. By default, an LLC is considered a pass-through entity for tax purposes. This means that the LLC itself does not pay federal income tax. Instead, the profits and losses pass through to the LLC's owners, who report them on their tax returns. While federal income tax requirements apply to all LLCs, state tax obligations can vary. Some states impose a minimum tax or annual fee on LLCs, regardless of their income. LLC tax filing requirements. 1. LLCs treated as sole proprietorships. If your LLC is a single-member LLC, it is treated as a disregarded entity for tax purposes by default. This means that the IRS does not recognize the LLC as a separate entity, and all the business income and expenses are reported on the owner's personal tax return using Schedule C, Profit or Loss from Business, along with Form 1040. If your LLC had no income during the tax year, file Schedule C with zero income and any applicable deductions or expenses. 2. LLCs treated as partnerships. For multi-member LLCs, the default treatment by the IRS is as a partnership. Even if the LLC had no income, it must file an informational tax return using Form 1065, U.S. Return of Partnership Income. Form 1065 provides the IRS with information about the LLC's operations. Each LLC member will receive a Schedule K-1, partner's share of income, deductions, credits, to report their share of the LLC's income or losses on their tax returns. 3. LLCs treated as S or C corporations. LLCs can elect to be treated as either S or C corporations for tax purposes. If the LLC has chosen to be treated as an S or C corporation, it must file the corresponding tax return even if it has no income. Filing taxes for an LLC with no income is a necessary step to ensure compliance and maintain good standing with the IRS. For more detailed guidance, visit Venture Smarter and consult with a qualified tax professional to help you navigate the complexities of tax filing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, smart tax management is key to business success.